Hi everyone, welcome to Eileen Who Got Yoga, and today is day 15. Day 15 for my 30-day Yoga for a Better Life challenge, and today we will be doing a meditation. For some people they might say, oh, it's just meditation, but actually meditation is actually very challenging, because it kind of turns all your sight, your entire vision to go inward. So for some it can be unnerving, but it can be also a good practice. So yoga is not just all about movement, but meditation is very good practice, part of yoga, which is actually what I've been practicing a lot lately, especially with what's happening now in the world. I find more calming to practice meditation. So find a comfortable position. If you want to sit down, you can sit down. If you want to lie down, best to lie down actually in this pose. And if you fall asleep in the practice, that's normal when it's your first time to come into a meditation practice. For today, I will be guiding you throughout the practice. So you can also turn down the lights, turn on some candles if that would help you become more relaxed and comfortable. Turn off the TV, silent your phone so that you won't get distracted by any noise. And if you're living with other people, maybe this is the time for you to lock the doors first. Give this time for you to have that space to just be on your own first. Normally when we're with other people, we tend to forget to just have that space for ourselves so that we can re-energize. Okay, so yes, and that part, I'm telling that to myself too. Okay, sorry, I know sometimes I'm not a serious teacher, but now I'm trying to be serious because we're going to go into meditation. Okay, so if you're ready, be in the most comfortable clothes that you can be, and let's start lying down. When you lie down, find a comfortable position. You can put a pillow under the knees, you can lie down on the mat, you can lie down on the bed, however you feel that you are going to be supported. And as you lie down on the bed, let's take a deep breath here first. Slowly inhaling through your nose. And then slowly, gently exhaling out through the mouth. And continue to breathe, inhaling through your nose slowly. And then exhaling through the mouth slowly. One more time. Inhale through your nose. Exhale with your mouth open. And then let's take this time to settle down into your pose. You may be seated, you may be lying down, whatever position you're in right now. Just start to feel your body. Let's scan your body first, starting from your toes. And as we do this, try to maintain the breathing pattern that you have. No need to force too much. Just try to make it make your breathing as smoothly as it can be. And then start to observe your body, starting from your toes, legs, knees, hips. going up to your lower back, belly, mid-back, front of your mid-back, near your ribs, chest, upper back, all the way to your shoulders. Feel your arms, elbows, fingers. Feel your shoulders, neck, jaw, back of your neck. Feel your cheeks soften, eyes, forehead, all the way to the top of the head. Now, as we put a spotlight on each part of the body, start to observe where does your body hold tension. And as we put the spotlight on these areas that holds tension, start to ask yourself, how can you release this tension? Maybe you need to take deeper breaths. And if you feel like you need to visualize releasing tension by imagining your muscles or imagining colors, that would help. Start to do that. And we will stay here for a couple of breaths. Take time to release parts. If there will be times that your mind starts to float away from what you are, from your body, then just start to breathe deeply. Bring back awareness again to your body. Meditation helps us to stay present. And then just observe, what do you feel when you feel these parts that has tensions? Is your mind starting to offer memories coming from the day that you've had? And then just try to work on the breath and work on releasing again the tension. And then as you stay there, trying to release the tension, try to also think of, how can I release this tension more? How can I create spaces more in my body? They say that these tensions are actually energy blockages. So how can I make my chi or my energy flow again? And observe how your breath will help as well. And then just the thought of letting go. How can I let go? breath. And then just try to listen to the vibration. And feel the vibration just flowing through your body. From your toes, all the way to the top of the head. Take a deep breath here. And then with your eyes still closed, just start to introduce little movements back to the body. You can start with your toes, fingers, moving your head side to side, stretching your arms over your head. And then when you're ready, you're going to roll up to sit and come to a seated pose. Once you're able to come to a seated pose, close your eyes. Feel your spine. Try to create spaces on each disc, on each vertebra by breathing deeply. Feeling how an inhale affects your spine and how an exhale affects your spine. And feel your shoulders, base, and your body starts to react also with the breath. Let's bring our hands in front of our heart, taking this time to practice gratitude for what the month has given us. It's a turn of a new month again, and before we come into a new month, we try to find gratitude for whatever the month has given us. Lessons, experience, blessings. Namaste. Thank you for sharing your energy, and thank you for letting me guide you in your meditation practice. As we come for a new month, this is a good way for us to just clear all the energy so that when we come to the new month, it's starting fresh again. I hope you have a good night's sleep, and I'm sorry if this is a late practice again. It has been a, how do you call it? A learning day for me. I was studying the whole day. What else? Oh, okay, so please stay tuned. 15 more days, we're halfway there, and I'm so excited that we're almost done. We're halfway through, almost done. We're halfway through the 30-day yoga challenge, and I hope I was able to offer the different types of things that I usually do in my yoga practice. It's never strong for me. It's never always strong for me. Yesterday I did a strong practice and I can really feel my triceps today. So today I took it slow and just studied, and actually practicing, studying scriptures or studying philosophy is part of yoga. And that's what I did today, and I shared to you meditation. And I hope you have something that you can take off from this practice as well. Have a great day, guys. Or have a good night. Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.